Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're going to explore a standout in the world of robot mops, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 6110. If you're looking for a high-tech, efficient solution for your hard floors, especially when it comes to tackling tough, sticky messes, then stick with me as we dive into the features, real-world use, and whether or not it truly lives up to the hype. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 is engineered to offer precision floor cleaning with its unique jet spray system. This robot mop isn't just about getting your floors wet and calling it a day. It's designed to actively fight grime, grease, and even kitchen messes that typically stick to your floors. Powered by iAdapt 3.0 navigation and vSLAM technology, this robot seamlessly maps your home, ensuring it's efficient in covering all the areas without missing a spot. The big claim here is that it's built to tackle sticky messes on your hard floors, like that stubborn kitchen grease or that spill you just couldn't get to in time. With its precision jet spray and an ability to mop or sweep, it adapts to your home's needs. For people who have mostly hard floors or even a mix of tile and wood, the Braava Jet M6 could be a game changer. This model stands out in the robot mop category with its compatibility with all robot mops, making it a versatile option for many. It also boasts an impressively long-lasting fresh scent thanks to its Braava Jet hard floor cleaning solution. Now let's break down how this model performs in real life, covering what you'll be dealing with as an everyday user. First up, let's talk about cleaning power. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 delivers consistent, steady cleaning across multiple floor types: hardwood, tile, and stone, no problem. That jet spray isn't just a gimmick. It really does make a difference in tackling those sticky spots in the kitchen or bathroom. It doesn't just push the mess around, it helps break it down, which is something a lot of mops can't claim. Another great aspect of the M6 is the navigation. Thanks to that iAdapt 3.0 system with vSLAM, it works its way through your home, mapping out the spaces it needs to clean and avoiding obstacles along the way. Whether it's maneuvering around furniture or squeezing into tight corners, it does so without bumping into everything in its path. The vSLAM technology makes it so efficient, and you'll notice how quickly it learns your home's layout over time. As for ease of use, this model is pretty low maintenance. Simply fill the water tank with the Braava Jet hard floor cleaning solution, attach it to the robot, and let it do its thing. The design is intuitive with a small, sleek build that's easy to store without taking up much space. Plus, the long-lasting scent adds a nice touch, leaving your home smelling fresh after every clean. Now, let's get into a few real-world scenarios. If you have pets, the Braava Jet M6 won't disappoint. It's great for cleaning up those little messes your furry friends leave behind. Crumbs, mud, and even pet hair. However, it's not a replacement for a full-on vacuum. It's more of a spot cleaner or a maintenance tool to keep things looking fresh between deeper cleans. In terms of performance on different surfaces, it transitions easily from tile to hardwood, leaving your floors spotless without any issues. One thing that's worth noting is the noise level. While the M6 isn't silent by any means, it's quieter than a standard vacuum, and it won't disrupt your day-to-day life as much as you might expect. You can go about your business while it cleans, without being overwhelmed by noise. Now, let's talk about what makes the Braava Jet M6 great. For starters, the navigation is impressive. It cleans effectively and consistently, tackling spots you might miss with traditional mopping. It's easy to set up and maintain, with its intuitive controls and cleaning solution refill process. The fresh scent left behind is a nice bonus, especially in areas like kitchens where odors can linger. On the flip side, there are some considerations to keep in mind. It's not perfect for every situation. If you have thick carpets or heavy dirt accumulation, this might not be the best choice. It also doesn't have the most powerful scrubbing action, so if you're dealing with deeply embedded dirt, it might not be able to handle it as effectively as a more powerful device. The fact that it's a robot mop means it's doing the job on its own, meaning you'll need to trust its navigation skills and don't expect to intervene much. In terms of value for money, it's essential to weigh what you're getting here. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 isn't the cheapest option on the market, but it justifies its price with its advanced features. It's the perfect investment for a household that wants to automate the mopping process and keep floors looking good without constant intervention. If you're someone who's already invested in the iRobot ecosystem, or you value a cleaner home with less effort, it might be worth the cost. Now, if you're comparing this to other similar products, you've got a few solid options. The Roborock S7 and Ecovacs D-Bot T8 AV are popular competitors in the robot mop space. Both offer solid cleaning performance with additional features like smarter navigation and better suction for deeper cleaning, but they come at a higher price point. The Braava Jet M6 holds its ground with its ease of use and the ability to efficiently clean and leave behind that fresh scent, all at a more accessible price. When it comes to build quality, the Braava Jet M6 feels solid. The plastic components feel sturdy and well-designed, and the tank system is easy to remove and clean. The cleaning cloths are also washable, which reduces long-term costs. As far as maintenance goes, keeping it clean isn't difficult. Just clear out any debris, clean the cloths, and refill the tank when needed. If you ever have to reach out to iRobot's customer support, you can expect solid service. They're known for being helpful and responsive, which is always a relief if you ever need help with troubleshooting or parts replacement. To sum it up, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 6110 is a strong contender in the robot mop world. It offers great value if you're looking for an easy-to-use, low-maintenance solution for maintaining clean, hard floors without lifting a finger. It's best suited for homes with mostly hard floors, pet owners, or anyone who needs a bit of extra help keeping the kitchen floor spotless. It won't replace your full-on cleaning routine, but it's a solid addition for everyday upkeep. For those looking for a high-quality, easy-to-use robot mop, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, you can find the link to get the iRobot Braava Jet M6 in the comments box below. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. Let me know if you're using this robot mop, or if you've found a better alternative. Until next time, goodbye, and happy cleaning from Reviewsinside TV.